in light of everything that was going on, we wanted to start a kindness crusade. So we spent all last week talking about kindness. Our essential question was essentially, how can we make our school safer? And while there are emergency plans and so on and so forth, bottom line, it is our duty to make everybody feel welcome. You know, whether they accept it or not, it's our duty to do that. So we talked about kindness and what it was. Each of our students in each of our classes, we did a circle of kindness where they had a piece of paper with their name on it, and we sat in a circle, and every person wrote something kind about that person on the paper. The next step was each student in each one of our classes got the kindness paper, and they turned around and they wrote a letter, one letter, to a student in their class. Our goal was to have the student think about other people, think about the person, and have them be who they needed to be in their lives. So we told the kids, you may know the person, you can write a letter. You can use the circle of kindness to write a letter, or just write what you wish somebody would write to you. And we had all of our kids do it in all of our English language arts class. Every student in the 8th grade got a letter today before we went to the assembly. They got it packaged in this. We're hoping that it spreads, and each time that somebody wants to write something kind to somebody, they can give it to that student and they can put it in here, they can keep it in their binders. This was the coolest thing. The kids loved it. They loved being able to write the letters. They walked out of class holding their heads higher because they got to be kind. Without exception, these letters were from the heart, they were sincere, and they were kind. And it was the most beautiful thing. And then when they got them today, it was just even more amazing. The kids, I really hope and pray that it tugged their hearts that they choose to be kind.
Being kind to one another is one of the most crucial and important things to do in life. I know ever since we were little, we always heard to play nice and do kind things for one another. But as we get older, being kind seems to stoop down our list of priorities while satisfying our friends makes its way to the top. It's so important that we stand up for one another. Being kind and respectful plays much more in life than being popular, I promise. Just the little comments you make to someone can make the difference between them going home and crying or leaving school with a smile on their face.
Here at GMA, we found we should feel safe and are in a happy environment. From students and staff, we all share kindness with each other. During the terrible incident that happened in Florida, you hear about the teachers and students who cared more about others and put others before themselves. So I have 3 challenges for you. First, always be kind. Secondly, say hey to someone you may not really know by the end of the day. Lastly, put others before yourself.
Students and staff, I challenge you to look for the best in others, to speak with kindness, and to start a chain reaction of compassion. Small and positive interactions do make the difference. One person can make the difference.
Aaron Feist, Jamie Guttenberg, Alyssa Aladeth, Scott Beagle, Meadow Pollock, Christopher Hickson, Luke Hoyer, Carmen Shentra, Gina Montalto, Alex Schachter, Peter Wang, Elena Petty, Martin Anguiano, Helena Ramsey, Joaquin Oliver, Kara Lobren, Nicholas Doran.